Hi everyone, this is your tutorial influencer and today I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your Mac or Windows. The reason behind making this video because it's beneficial when you're working on your laptop and you don't have to check your phone every time you get a text, and you also can download your PDF or JPEG or any kind of files direct from the laptop. First of all, we'll have to download the file. So to download the file, open your Chrome or any other your favorite browser and search for download WhatsApp. I will also put the link in the description box. Open the link and you will be sent to the official page of WhatsApp. But firstly, you have to make sure that what version is compatible to your device. And once you hit the download button, your downloading will be started. It will take few minutes to complete the download, depend on your internet connection. Once the download is completed, just hit the button to install, and after installation, WhatsApp new screen will be appeared. After opening this screen, we have to scan the QR code with our mobile. And to scan the code, we have to open the WhatsApp on our mobile and tap the three dots, go to setting. Here you'll see the WhatsApp web. With the help of this WhatsApp web, you can scan the QR code that is appeared on your laptop screen. After scanning the code, you'll be able to use your WhatsApp on laptop. Make sure your mobile phone stays connected to the internet. If you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify on our next videos.